ForexTrading.com every business.
What's up, Chad? I hope you guys are doing good. A little bit of a delayed start here today. So we're literally doing some fixes on the run here. There we go. Let's get you guys a little bit up. Alright, guys. So we're going to get into things now. Just thought we'd jump into it very, very quickly there. Purely just because... yeah, had some changes. The audio we saw that was going a bit crazy on our side, so I just sort that out. Chris.
Sorry, just show me that audio. So it was just clipping a little bit on my side.
There we go. Yeah, it is going to be clipping a little bit now still. Can you bring it down?
Okay,
I think we need still...
1, 2, 1, 2.
Yeah, testing 1, 2, 1, 2. Still a little bit too high. There we go. I think that's good over there. Yeah, that should be working perfect. Alrighty. Chris, is this you in the chat?
Yeah, sorry, so I've got another.
I was gonna say, otherwise you have a fake markable here. But what's up, guys? Again, apologies for being late. We do get through the charts pretty quickly, so nothing I think you guys need to worry about from there. Where's the... I don't want to be...
I was gonna say something's missing.
I couldn't even hear the music, bro. Chad, can you guys hear it? I'm just trying to think here, Chad. We've literally been doing a few little fixes here on the go. Chris is gonna come here again. Chris, I can't hear anything in my ears, bro. I can hear myself. I can hear the air. No, that's fine. But I'm saying the music.
But check with the volume there, bring it up full. Make it full. Yeah. And then you can just play with the sound on your
Okay.
channels.
We will do that. There we go.
What's that?
Alright. Let's bring that down a little bit. Alright, there we go, you guys. We are good to go. Hope things are sounding a lot better there now. So we were literally doing some content stuff, so everything gets changed around when we do that. But nevertheless, we're here. Jev, how you doing, brother?
I'm doing good. Very good feeling for New York session. I feel like we're gonna catch some bangers today.
100%.
How are you feeling?
I'm good, bro. We actually took a trade here on the basically unemployment claims. Nothing too crazy. Honestly, wasn't anything too insane. Obviously, did have the drop. The project guys, I basically gave them the rundown on this trade. So again, I haven't even been back on my phone, so I don't know if any of the guys executed or took anything on that, but was a nice little scalp way to start off the setup with those guys, purely because I didn't like what dollar was doing. So if you guys see, basically dollar traded all the way up and then started holding off here. And the big thing I was worried about was the minute we could have like one rejection, dollar could start, because basically what happened with gold, if you guys see, basically that news event was literally over here, trading this, and over here it was holding the support, and I basically just closed out here thinking this thing's gonna chow, and obviously there it did eventually break through. But I was just worried that it was battling to break through. As you guys can see, literally making that amount of ground compared to what dollar did. Dollar literally traded from here all the way up, and gold wasn't doing anything, so I just got out of that trade. But we'll see what happens. Maybe things still follow through. See if dollar basically cucks off a little bit there. or if it can give us something to play with, but we'll keep our eyes on that one. What is the volume indicative of the anticipated volatility? But we'll just move and see what happens with that. So gold, guys, I am bearish on the day. If you're in the morning session, you knew we already were bearish over here. Again, just absolute destruction from gold today. I still say, because we are down here, we are probably going to be testing that low of last week, so 2019 on the table, and then obviously the weekly supply at 2017. So we basically going to see if we can get that entry in where we can maybe hold off doing something like this. If we can basically trade below, hold the S2, and then we can look to take a trade. Even if it's 2023 to 2019, 2017, I'll be happy with that. So we'll see what we can get on that side of things. Going over to Nas again, they actually followed a little bit, so that was quite interesting. Remember we spoke about this neutral position. I said I did want to see the push all the way to the top side, but that did come down to what was happening on the lower time frame. So the 4 hour, I said to you guys, this was the candle that was make or break for it. Basically over here, us turning neutral, or having a little doji candle where again we wanted to be breaking the highs, and we failed to do that, and that was really our sign. We were going to be tanking to the downside, and that is just literally washed away this whole setup. So again, reason being, I said to you guys, you got the pivot and the EQ quite low down, so you could definitely see markets trading down there. Obviously failing to test Asia highs the second time, breaking those Asia lows, and then just waterfalling. So again, very, very good time. We could probably see those pivots coming into play over there. Going over to US 30, we spoke to you guys again about this morning. Basically having Asia highs traded one way the whole direction. Watch for that break, hold, closed underneath, and then we said very simple, same as Nas, basically daily pivot, EQ. That's what we wanted to see. Pivot being testing, held, and then traded all the way back up, setting that Asia highs that were untested. So US 30, we can see basically if we can hold Asia highs and then continue to the upside on market open. So that's it from my side on what I'm going to be looking for, but I think I'm quite locked in on gold still, so we'll see what happens there. Jeff, what you looking at for today, brother?
Side, looking at the XY, I'm still bearish on the pair because actually very interesting. So we had, just move that back. So yesterday's highs, Asian highs were unswept, so we swept that this morning not this morning, at around 1 o'clock this afternoon. Then we had the supply zone over here. Now the reason why this doesn't hold, is because look at the timing, 2:30. So I don't trade around that time. Then we had another zone at this level. So I still want to see DXY trade up a bit, basically taking out this high and then touch the supply zone. Basically give me like a change of character, fair value gap and displacement, and go look to short to the downside. Other than that, if DXY can trade down from this level more or less up until this demand zone formed in London, then I will be bullish on the dollar basically. Now looking at gold, I'm bullish on gold. I want to see gold basically either do one of two things. So they tested this demand zone at this level. Now usually I want to see them sweep this low one more time before looking to go long. However, also looking at the previous zone that they have swept over here, there is 1, 2, 3, 4 levels of drop. Now that's a bit extreme for me. And also looking at what price is doing right now, this zone over here could be the zone where we could see reaction on gold. So once price comes back at this level, I will start looking for a reaction to potentially go long on gold. And then looking at GU, I want to see GU basically trade up above the Jan 2024 lows and then basically change character all the way up here. And the reason for all the way up here is because I want to clearly see them move up and then close above Jan's low, and also give me a clear change of character. And then I want to see them basically trade back towards Wednesday's Asia lows, and then find demand this level for us to find a trade towards the upside. Same thing for EU. Also want to see them basically give me a change of character at this level. Now New York lows have been taken out from yesterday, and also yesterday's Asian lows has been swept. So very, very ideal setup for me. So I want to see change of character. You can already see here exactly where the Asian lows were yesterday. We already have our potential demand zone marked out. So we just want to see price basically push up, retracing this level, and then look to go long. And then GJ also almost at my zones, and also over here I want to see them form us a nice little pattern on the 1 minute. We can see price is forming lower lows. So if we can see something like this potentially happen, something like this, tap into the zone, change of character, fair value gap, and then look to long that up until that level. So looking at EU, gold, GU, and GJ.
All right, guys. So there you have it. And as we got that, and the markets are still closed. So 2 minutes, guys. As you said, we would definitely make it in time. So as you guys can see, this is why we got out of that trade. A very thing to take note of. So obviously I'm not gonna just give out all those things there, but as I said, we spoke about this trade on our VIP group. I shared the idea with them, but as I said, it's not something I trust. I'm not trusting dollar long term based off of that setup. If unemployment claims claim out lower, so I said to the guys, don't be greedy. If it's a 1-to-1, 1-to-2, take your trade, call it. And yeah, it was a perfect example of that. This trade literally, like I said, we entered there, this thing has just turned around. So we were in and out on this trade, but we'll see what happens. We finally got the breakaway and retest of the support zone. So we'll see what happens here now, back on the S1. Obviously we have broke the S1 and already gone to the S2, but again, we'll just keep in mind what happens here purely because of what is happening with DXY at the weekly resistance. So let's just see what happens here, guys. But I think we're going to get a trade today. Definitely keen on trading something.
Cameron, the video is on my YouTube. I uploaded it on, I think, Monday evening or Tuesday morning. You can just go check it out there.
Yeah, how you doing? Yeah. Alright, guys, but in the meantime, basically 30 seconds till market open. So let's see what we can get here. Who all is here? All the regulars, welcome. Glad to see you guys all here. But let's just wait, guys. Basically, and there we go, ding ding ding, markets are open, round 2, fight. You know what I just clicked? I don't hear Chris say that anymore.
What's that?
I'm trying to think maybe I'm so used to it I don't actually realize it anymore, but I don't even hear Chris say the whole
ding
round,
ding ding.
round 1.
No, he's still, I think he still does.
Hey, I'm trying to think about it. Chris, we need to talk, bro. Maybe I'm literally say I'm that used to it I don't hear it. But I'm clicking now that I don't think he does. Let's see what we can get here, guys. NAS trading back into the Asia range. US study coming down to the Asia range. So that's what we're talking about. Let's see what happens here. DXY. We want to see what DXY does here. And gold at the support area. Let's see. Waiting for the 15-minute shuffle, guys, to keep that in mind as we wait to see what happens here.
I'm sorry, but what are we listening to?
What are we listening to?
Yeah.
I don't know why.
Okay, I'm just saying.
We are not playing that other bro of yours. Don't even ask me about it again. Don't even ask. The chat already answered. They spoke on that one. Sashi, yeah, I'm good, my G. Quite a beautiful sell. Yeah. Quite a beautiful sell on gold this morning, so it's all smiles there. GJ in 1 hour supply number. No, 5 minute chart to the downside and target 187432. Alrighty. Hey guys, hope you're well. Hope indeed. So I struggles with the resistance as I'm in UJ shorts. Yo, okay. UJ shorts. That's interesting. The 2 G's, yeah, brother. Vince, our mascot. The thing is with that weekly resistance, you have the R2, I think it is. Yeah, the R2 right underneath you. which it's been holding as support. So just keep an eye out on that. Even if you aren't bouncing a little bit off the weekly resistance, it can find support at that R2 again. Gold doing the work. And this is literally, guys, I promise you we couldn't have said better. We literally spoke to the guys about this in the group. Got our trade, got what we were looking for, got out. Let's see what happens now at the Asia range. DXY coming in. Let's see. I want to trade, yeah.
Cool. GBP, JPY. I am bullish on GJ, not bearish. And the thing is, if you're looking at structure, internal structure is bullish. So that zone you're referring to could be catering for the pullback to my zone. But we'll see. Let's see.
Oh, a little friendly competition there.
Yeah, hopefully you can push price down for me.
Alright, got some alerts going off here. Let's see, alerts on the US 30. Let's see, US 30 back at Asia highs. NAS rejecting Asia low. So we can see they're both equities rejecting. So again, let's see what gold does then. DXY is still mounting off, so they're quite interesting. But let's see. Valtteri, what? Vuth Lari Investor Hub. Just joined now, but this will be my best. What? Just joined now, but this will be my beat channel for live stream. I just watched for 1 minute already. We'll be going back to all your live stream. Big up, guys. Love your work in 1 minute. Oh, awesome. I appreciate it, brother. Really appreciate the kind words. Yeah, man. I noticed you've been in and out here lately. Wondering if you had your hands busy or something. Low gold is back breaking hearts again today. Yeah, guys, gold is a bit all over the place, honestly. And honestly, I don't really think it's gold. To be fair, actually no, it is gold. Gold is when you look at it at the end of the day, DXY actually is making moves. I mean, it is making basically a new range. End of the day, if you look at it like this, you got that key level and the support. We're just making a new range again now. But that is still big moves. So on a daily base, like you can catch some moves on there. Where gold is like doing nothing. And the reason I say that is, for example, like you can catch trades, but you're not really catching like banging trades. I mean, it's the same thing. Like I always say to guys, like even my stories, like we caught this trade now with unemployment claims, but it's not something I'm gonna go post and because oh cool, you did your thing, but it was nothing special. So we'll just see what happens here. Cold GJ swept a lot of upside liquidity. Overall 4 hour is bullish, but that 1 hour supply can be used as a retrace back to the that is a lot to take in there, Cole. That is RTT, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then Cameron currently in a long position on GJ.
Wait.
What?
Okay, I see. So you caught the buys. Wait, what?
What are you confused by?
Currently in a long position, 188. Yeah, bro. That means you're in drawdown mode. In like 40 pips drawdown.
But 188,317 is the TP.
Oh, 2. Oh, sorry. I misread that.
Do you think that the Fed orange folder speech will do much? Honestly, I don't think so, no. Because if we look at what happened with the other speeches yesterday, the guys didn't say anything new. They literally spoke about stuff that's already public knowledge, things that like we already know. So nothing crazy. Gold back to the rise, USD as well. I wouldn't say it's on the rise, bro. It's just held the support and back to Asia lows. It's not even at a high of the day. I mean, it's literally still bearish on the day. So I wouldn't necessarily say gold's on the rise again. So US30 basically hanging around Asia highs. NAS looks like it's trying to break through now. It did close bearish, so let's just see what the next candle does. Yeah, that would actually be a very nice close above. Then next candle hold the support on Asia lows and trade up. US30 we just need a tested, rejected, obviously doing the opposite basically what NAS is doing. So we'll just see what happens there. Gold still is my attention. Yo, bro, I have no clue where all these yawns are coming from. Like, I'm not even that tired, but like, I genuinely, I'm not that tired. But yes.
DXY better move today. Better like, because yeah, we can't keep on missing trades like this.
I'm ready for a trade, bro. I'm ready. I just entered gold shorts, but not very confident. Bro, I do like the shorts. I said to the guys I am more bearish. As I said, to be fair, this is our retest of Asia lows after being broken. But we'll just have to see. DXY, I think if DXY is going to pump, it needs to, as you said, it's gone to the R2 as you spoke about, hold that as support. Now it just needs to get above that weekly resistance. If we can hold that weekly resistance or regain it, we aim for the highs, trade back for that key level 104, 165. I always say to you guys, when the key levels are there, you're not going to come close. You're going to trade there. So, yeah, I think that is, and especially if you look at the bullish push when we trade to these areas, we're not really closing in no man's land here. We're closing at that key level a lot of the time. So you guys can see we at least tested it, closes, there's tested on it, through it, tested it, closed just under it, closed above it, but you're going through it, if you know what I'm saying. So at some point you hit that key level at the moment. So I still think dollar if regains its weekly resistance, it can start climbing back up. If that happens, then yeah, the gold sells. King Shark, I'd be in them with you, brother.
No, I back that too. I'm also looking at 2035 to potentially short it.
2035.
Yeah.
On gold.
Yeah.
I don't think gold will get that high.
It's at the weekly. I'm sorry, at the daily open. Hoping if we can see a tap to that and then drop that'll be ideal for me.
Yeah, personally, yeah. The thing is, for me, like my thing is on my strat. If that even goes up to there again, I'll write off the sells. I won't even look at the sell. Because the thing is, to get to that age, to get to 2035, you've broken through 2 levels of support, and you're back in the Asia range, holding the Asia lows. So probability says you're probably going to go up for the retest of Asia highs, which is untested.
That's one thing also I've realized, our Asian highs and lows aren't the same in the sense of timing. You measure from 2 till
7.
2 till 7.
Because it's daylight saving.
Oh, I measure 12 till 8.
What?
12 till 8. So 8 hours. If you also think about it, decisions are split in 8 hours.
Yeah, but there's that markets aren't actually open.
Yeah, I'm just saying,
Yeah.
our Asian rates are different like that.
No, I get what you're saying, but I'm saying, for example, that for us,
Like for
that
instance,
from 12 till 2, markets aren't open.
Like-
Asia session isn't actually open.
like for instance, like based on that, the 2035 is still within my Asian range.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's different. It's different.
Do you two trade personal or funded accounts? Both.
Personal funds.
Based on the 200 retest plus DXY higher time frame has range. Yeah, that's what I said, bro. If for me personally, if we regain this 100%, I'm happy with those sells. You break back under this level of support, 100% sells on the table. Then I'm with you, brother. So I just want to see DXY get above there. What we can do is let's even set an alert there. Keeks, I'm a beast in mapping out EQ using 50% on fib of previous day range go. What is the idea? Buy below, sell above. Yeah, brother. So I wouldn't say necessarily always just buy above, sell below, because the day you get a reversal, you're gonna get clapped. So like not the reversal or continuation, sorry. So for example, you can see like this day, if you did market opened under the EQ, then it would be a case of, I always say to you guys, you trade up to, so sell off it, reject off of it. Today, yeah, if you even from this morning at 4 o'clock, if you entered the sell, you would have been smiling. Then the trade would have been profitable. And then doof, you would have been profitable. You've been smiling. But the day you get the continuation, this thing's gonna hurt you when it breaks. Like there now, this one, if this broke through, held and continued, that would have been the day gold really goes bullish. Then yeah, you would have got hurt. So in general, if you want to say a trending market, so we are bearish, we're going to continue with the sells, then a lot of the time, yeah, you can just do that. But as I say, I wouldn't necessarily just use that as a rule. It is not too intrusive to ask, what are your highest wins and losses ever? Before I answer that question, Cameron, what benefit does that have for you? Like knowing that, what does that help you with? And again, are we talking in one day? Are you talking in 1 week? Are you talking 1 month? What are you referring to? Do you think DXY holding will push USD to the downside? Yeah, I do think so, Dorito. Thanks, Keys. I get you, Brunza. I'll use it with market flow. Yeah. Curiosity, one trade. Yeah. I don't really. If I'm honest with you, bro, like my biggest trade's been like 500 Rand in one day. That's been my biggest trade. DXY not being able to hold, guys. See, and that's what we're talking about. So let's see what happens if we get back into the Asia range. But I know Cameron, you would rather ask Jeff, bro. I know Jeff is the market maker. He's had some massive days here in trading.
The biggest loss I've had in one trade was 10,000 Rand. The biggest amount I've made in one day was 36k. The most I've made in a month was 112k. Yeah. But that was like 2022. In 2023, I never had a streak like that. Not a good month like that or a good day like that.
What's up, Chad? How's the session going so far? Good, brother. Markets look like they are coming alive, but we haven't taken anything yet. I haven't taken anything yet. Awesome. I'm happy I didn't miss anything. Now you didn't, brother. Didn't miss anything. Traders have different perspective on beer trades. Or AMD the markets. These two broskies. Yo. King Check, you know, the only problem I have with these gold now, bro, is dollars going bearish and gold's going bearish. That's the only problem I'm having right now. Good guy. Their best trades. Yeah, back to my boy Cameron. Obviously, I'm talking cuck on that side of things, but I just don't see the relevance that score help you as a trader. I'm not selling you anything, so. If I told you I made R1 million in a day, and if I told you I've made 1,000 rand in a day, it shouldn't be something to judge a person on or think about, because again, I'm not trying to push you on anything. So yeah, there's no point in me answering a question like that. Admiration for your transparency. And also back to it, the OGs, I have answered these questions before, so if you actually are a supporter of the channel for a long time, then you would also know the answer. But yeah, DXY still mounting off, guys, so let's see what happens here with gold. I think if gold breaks this high and gets back in the Asia range, buys are on the table. Yeah, then buys would be on the table for me. DXY rejecting that weekly resistance. Now we're going to be trading back under the R2 again, so let's see what happens. 112, yeah, 116 viewers at the moment, guys. Only 40 likes. Let's get those likes up, guys. Please, that's all we ask for from your side. We don't charge you anything or anything like that. We just ask for your likes and subscribes. It truly means a lot. We are currently on the road to 6k subscribers, so let's smash that, guys. Let's smash that 6k. Yeah, DXY still flipping a bit bearish. Huge announcement, Jeff quit.
Yeah, I did say that, so I have to enjoy it while I can. I actually have to go fish my Red Bull.
Did you actually say that?
Yeah, if we reach 7k subscribers, I'll be more healthy. So if the chat thinks about it, they're not just doing it for the chat; they're doing this for my health.
Mark, it is free, brother. Yeah, we trade live with you guys every day, and if you go over to the Discord, everything is there for free. We don't charge anything there, my brother. So close to 6k now. Been watching since 2.3. Yeah, bro, it's been a journey, eh? Hey Keys, can I pop in and work from the office tomorrow? 100%, brother. Of course you can. Come join us here in the office tomorrow. He said he will stop drinking Coke
And Red Bull.
Yo, now I need to see this. Jeff, stop drinking Coke. I don't see you drink Red Bull that much, but Coke, this man lives on it.
That's like water to me.
Yeah.
First thing in the morning, last thing at night.
Yes. This man's got Coke in his veins. If we get you guys 7k, you must get a buzz cut. Even Chris, Jaden, bro, we've had a buzz cut already. Definitely not my style. This isn't the Jaden. I know the other one was Jaden April, but he did have a first account here, and then he went to the other one. Jaden, this isn't the other one that was commenting on Radl's video, right? Or is this the same Jaden? Brave for Jev, // did you guys see what happened with Fungineer? They are chalk, bro. They are goners. Praise for Jev and Chad, let's get the subs up. I'm still holding runners, but my confidence in the trade is running out. Bro, but shouldn't you be in, you should be in profit though, where you are now, aren't you? Jev, check your WhatsApp, want to send you something.
Okay, got you, Vince.
Yeah, Desh, can we sell gold? Not yet, bro. If we break below, yeah, you can. The only problem I am personally having is that dollars going bearish with it. That's the only problem I'm having right now.
Yeah, Vince, I think you must join you on that journey when we reach 7k.
Do you guys share free signals on the Discord app? No, brother, we do not do signals. We are here to help you grow as a trader, not just literally spoon feed you. Yo, this is really gonna bother me though, hey? I can't take a sell on gold. Literally seeing the way DXY is dumping as well. It feels wrong. Riders Live podcast, bro. Then no, because I watched that video only the day after. Well, it doesn't matter if you watched it live or not, but were you the one that commented on it? Doesn't mean you have to watch it live. You can watch it afterwards and still comment on the video.
I think if you watch it afterwards, that's when the comments go lay there. Unless you like.
No, like if you comment on the video, he wasn't like in the chat. Yeah. Bro, like that's the thing. Gold's literally breaking under now. It closed below. Like I want to take the sell here. I just don't know with DXY, guys. I can't do that. I'm breaking my rule here on gold, and if I had to take that. Are you live on Discord the whole day? No, we are live on YouTube, brother. We just have a Discord group. Sometimes gold and DXY move in the same direction. Yeah, but that's absolute bullshit. I will not take a trade on that reason. Did you send, man, the picture? What's the plan for next move in gold? Brother, we are waiting. We are literally just waiting here. Any particular risk percentage you recommend? I normally risk 1% per trade, brother. Yes, I did. Lol, have a code with me. Call 1%, my brother. Yeah, Nilla knows the answer for you there, bro. No, makes sense. Gold down, DXY down. Yeah, Daniel, spot on there, bro. No, bro, that wasn't me. Okay, now all good, Jaden. All good, bro. Like I said, I know that the one that did comment, his name was Jaden April something there on that video. But then he came into the chat the other day with Jaden something else. So yeah, no, all good, Jaden. Chill then, brother. Mark Pringle, thanks, Shobu. But yeah, for my brother that was saying, Yadish, see what happens now if you took a sell there. Why is it frozen? Hello?
What's frozen?
I don't know, my thing was like taking forever to load here. So you also don't share setups on the Discord app, just pure education. The community shares setups, and we do our journals of trades and stuff like that there. Football today, my brother, I'm going to give you a very simple answer. If you're just looking for handouts, this is not the place. You're wasting your time. If you want to learn and become a trader, 100%. If you're wanting handouts, go find God. because we're not going to give it to you. The fact gold is holding as DXY dumps makes me think gold is waiting for DXY strength to have enough volume to break the low. Yeah. My only problem is, bro, so if you're looking at when the news came out, that's exactly what gold did, yeah. Gold was holding, and just didn't want to dump while DXY was pumping. And the minute DXY turned around, look what gold did. And that's the only problem I'm having now still is they're both going down together. And eventually I think if this thing just starts dumping, then I think gold's going to shoot up. And that's what I'm worried about. I don't want to be in a sell when that happens. I'm short on gold from 2034 already at break even. Oh, perfect, brother. Don't know whether to hold UJ to full TP. Does dollar have a death stick in her? Today, the setup strat is on the education section on the Discord. I agree. Oh, I see now this bro said you guys are using yeah, I know, bro. And then he still came on the channel wanting to tune us. So that's why I'm just asking if it was you. As I said, guys, if the sells are there for me, as I said, you know my entry, like off entry criteria on basically just technicals, 100% this trade I enter. But I just don't know with DXY. I need DXY to show me something as well. And fundamentally, I know DXY has strength, so it's just that is what I'm looking for. But again, at the same time, I really am up on the day. No need to literally go break even on the day now just because of a 50-50. So something like this, guys, if we can literally get a copy and paste over here, even though if it's a break, we can get maybe a bit of a retest, and then DXY in this time is showing us it's coming alive, and DXY starts pumping, then the next candle I can take the sell and see it melt down. So that's basically my plan of action. Yeah, otherwise I'll happily sit out if this goes down because it just doesn't meet my all-round criteria to enter the trade. Neil sending you the answer signal. Where's my boy? Football today. There, you can go check out Neil. He's giving you a signal over there. There, you can go get that signal. Say makes me again show you the real ones and the fakes in the industry. So many big time traders have posted videos telling you how dog trash January was and how they've actually, a majority of them have closed off January at a loss. Not these other oaks posting 500,000 a day, 1 million a day, too. Bruh, don't try that shit. The big boys have literally told you, like, oaks, it's been cock on the markets lately.
I must say, Fib is actually weird for me this month. Just like in a sense of missing trades or market moves in a certain way that day, and it's like it throws out my entire analysis.
Yeah. Yeah, bro. How many screenshots of the MT5 gurus compared to the real ones posting big rates? You know, I must say, shout out to Ethan. He put out a video up the other night, which I thought was so real. And he was talking about how do you spot the fake Instagram gurus. And he said a lot of time it's very, very simple. The real ones will be showing you the skill, the trades, the setups, and they'll be all over the page, the education. The fakes are going to be flaunting you the clothes, the cars, money. And he said because they need to overwhelm you with that because they can't show you the skill because there isn't any skill.
Yeah, I always look for instance like, what's that guy? The guy looks like a Nazi.
What? A Nazi?
Yeah, the orange brown. What's his name? Darren. That guy. For instance, once he posted like it's just a chart, and he just threw on his buy tool, and then like, you know, and it's like, where's the analysis? Like, what did you base your trade on? Nee, party van die manne hulle is kwaai, hulle meet met die oog.
Oh, yes. Please can I have a link for your Discord? I'm new to train, need to learn. Mark the Discord links in the description, brother. It should be there. How long have you been trading for? I've been trading for 4 years, going on 5. And Jev has been trading how long? I always forget. I know you always say this, but I always forget.
Yeah, introduced to the market 2017. Started making money 2019. So 5 years, I would say, actually understanding the market.
Yeah, so
but 7 years.
the same. Oh well, yeah, 7 years, and you longer than me. 1,000% single Dubai pick equals blocked. There are also gurus who post $20,000 trades, which is actually a cent account, and here $20,000 is 200. Nazis is brutal.
Keenan, he's kak loud. What's that saying? Empty containers make the most noise.
Wait, what?
What's that saying? Empty something makes the most noise.
Yo, bro, I don't know.
Yeah, it's a saying something like that. Empty vessels. Yes, empty vessels. See, this is why we have the chat, yeah.
Whoa. Cajun, bro, I take offense to that. Is it just me, but Keegs looks like the old Chris from Mr. Beast? I take offense, bro.
Yo.
I take offense to that. Purely because I don't support that crap. And I'll happily say that. I see their brother quite often in the Cape, Jev. He's cuck loud. These Instagram traders are cuck fake. Empty vessels, empty tins, vessels. DXY flipping bullish. Is it going bullish? Wait, who just said that? Bro, one tiny little doji 5-minute candle is not flipping bullish. Lee Blicky maakt die meeste geraas.
Yes, that's the saying in Afrikaans.
There you go. Violation. I said old Chris, not idiot Chris. Yeah, no, bro. Such a pity. I don't get why bloody guys do that. Yes. Damn, man. I'm not going to mention it or talk about it. Obviously, if you guys know, you know. But I'm not going to talk about it because I think I will. Even though I don't support it, if I start talking about it, I think we will get soft banned. So, if you know, you know. But awesome content with heart. Thanks, y'all. Pete. Thanks so much, brother. Really appreciate it. The Waterfly family or empty Hold on.
Empty debit. What? Okay. Well, so, what's a debit?
Yo,
I think I know.
guys.
I think I know another meaning for that.
Got a gold, now going bullish again. Jesus. Well, that's what I say, guys. For example, if you want to take that side of technicals, yeah, there, but fundamentals, sentimentals, just gut and experience, I don't trust that. So we'll see what happens here, guys. And also, please trust me, I don't know about Jeff if these things are setting up, but on my side, obviously we got to take advantage of news earlier, but for like now, trust me, I want to trade. I really want to trade, but I can't just force something. If the markets have been crap like they've been, I can't take anything.
Yeah, like for instance, this is an exact example. Wanted to buy EU ran. Wanted to buy GU ran. Wanted to buy GJ ran. Missed all three potential trades. Gold also.
So yeah, well, you're approaching your 2035 area slowly.
Yeah, but my only thing is also look at the time.
Yeah, so as I say, guys, we trust me, we want to, but can't force anything. Just got to take our chances where we can. Plain landing early. No, Vince, we still good for now, brother. But yeah, no, I'm just saying, like, trust me. I don't want you guys to think like, oh, these boys don't trade live anymore. Like, trust me, we want to take trades. I have faith in the next week and the rest of February. To be fair, I actually also really have faith in next week, because next week is full stacked with fundamentals. So you're going to have that volume being pumped in the whole week, every single day. So I really think the markets can kind of start coming to life.
Neil.
Do you want a recovery signal?
Yeah, yes, please.
Jeff, what do you think of the Fosbull app website for news?
I'm only using Wissing.com.
No, I don't even know what the Fosbull
And
app
also,
is.
and I also like to use rumors.
Okay, Kino, yeah, brother. No, sick. Just patience, yeah. Empty tins. EU is currently running smoothly, James. Risk $32 to get 363. Nah, beautiful, brother. Nice trade. What's your cutoff time for trades? Personally, I actually spoke to Mo about this today, guys. Personally, if I'm in a trade, I will, like, let's say now from New York session, if I'm in a trade, I believe this is a runner. Even if, as long as I'm break even, I will let this thing run till TP till like 8 o'clock. After 8 o'clock, if I haven't hit that TP, whether I'm deciding to swing the trade, or if it's like a day trade, 8 o'clock I will cut it then. I'll cut its legs. But if I haven't entered a trade, definitely I won't enter anything after 6 o'clock.
Okay, guys, we might have something here.
Alright, Jeff's gonna bring one home.
Okay,
Jeff,
looking
your
at
screen's live.
looking at DXY. So price hasn't taken out this low on DXY. So we're still bullish. This line over here, this is the 2020. This is December's high basically. So price is holding that. So I just want to see price basically hold this on the 5 minute. Let me just see. Okay, that is beautiful. If we can just close above this, we can expect price to give us a small little pullback, and then basically move up towards that zone I stated all the way up there, or maybe even only up until the pivot. So then on EU, as you guys can see, change of character over here. There's our supply zone. Asian lows has been tested and rejected, and like we said, we want to see price come back to this buy zone for us. So from there, I'm gonna look for price to tap into this level over here at 1.07645. Stop will be 4.5 pips up until the zone, so 16 pips, something like that. Here we go. Let's wait and see.
Alright, let's see if Jeff can get in there. As I say, guys, look at gold. Gold doesn't know what the hell it's doing. DXY making a little break there for us. That's what we want to see. That is what we want to see. Thanks, y'all. 6 p.m. is my cutoff for entries as well. So let's see, guys. DXY breaking up. Can we get something now? Come on, guys. I want to trade. So, guys, if we get something, yeah, I'll take it. I'll take a sell, yeah. Now we coming to life. DXY coming to the party. Thank you. We can get a closure like this. I'll take a shot at it, guys. Occasion, no, I'm not trading CPR, brother. Well, maybe I am, but yeah. And the DXY pulls back. Oh, yes, yes. Or gold's pulling back. Oh. I literally can't get a break here. Gold. I swear gold and me are having a serious timeout at the moment. Someone needs to have like a serious talking to gold. Look at that. DXY pumping. Coming to life. And gold's just like, nah. I'ma park the bus right here. Come on. 40 seconds. Can we close below? Get a DXY. Come on, DXY. Can you do some for me? Because the US30 is also reacting to the sell, so there's already a bonus for us. Come on, gold. Come on. Come to the party. Oh, we close over there. I can't take it. I can't take it, Chad. Close flat. Why do you want to trade so bad? Occasion, the same reason you keep always asking me, when do I want to trade CPI or NFP?
Who doesn't want to make money?
Cheers, enjoy the day. Cheers, King Shark. Gold is breaking our hearts today. Yeah. Now, but jokes aside, guys, I've been sitting around. I think if you guys are in the opening bell, I've been sitting here since Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I haven't got to take like a clean trade. So yeah, it's just I'm being sitting here, putting hours in, and just can't take anything. DXY, I think, as I said to you guys, if DXY can gain the weekly resistance, I think gold will have that breakaway for us. So I think, yeah, if we can get this, I think we're good. I had an alert call. What did I have an alert call for? DXY obviously back at weekly resistance. So we just want to see what's going to happen here. Boss Bobby, what's up, my brother? It's not that he wants to trade so bad. He's seen his entry and the whole strat playing out. Why would you not want to trade, bro? Yeah, but as I say, guys, yeah, it's just seeing everything come together. You want to take something. I've waited 3 days to take this trade. So yeah, just waiting for it. Big thing, DXY can't reject up this weekly resistance. If that rejects, gold's just gonna go back into that range. And I can't trade that. Come, guys, we're gonna pull ICT. We're gonna go trade off the 1 minute time frame. So on the 1 minute, you can see the break of structure. There's a little doji candle with the test rejection. Now when we get the break of these lows, we can enter over here, right? We're gonna pull an RCT. Alright. Hope you guys are ready for this, Chad.
Did I just hear Keegan say, identifies as an ICT trader?
Ah, bro, we are now trading off the 1 minute time frame, guys. 1 minute time frame. We're waiting for that boss and that chalk. Got to get my 0% back on my fund. Yeah. To be fair, that actually might have worked, but I will never trade off the 1 minute. On the paid version, wait, how low can I go? Can I go 30 seconds? No, I'm pretty sure I have premium. What do I have? Oh, essential. What can I go down to? Is 1 minute the lowest I can go down to?
What's your subscription? Is it? Do you have the first one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I also tried. Only 1 minute.
That would be interesting. Just imagine how busy a second chart must be.
Just see, bro.
That the whole thing's just ding 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 ding.
0.2 pip stop losses, 1 pip TPs.
It's like a foosball machine. Fair value gap for the win, lol. Yeah, guys, and that's right there. Look at this 1 minute. 1 minute. Oh, that 1 minute, bro. I will lose my head trading that thing. DXY, what's DXY doing? As I said, look at that. Rejection of the bloody resistance. Why? Why can I not just take a trade? You know what I'm gonna hate, eh? I've waited 3 days. Now keep in mind, guys, like I said this year, I'm leveling up, so I'm taking my things a lot more seriously. I used to trade basically. I always had a trade London session. I always had a trade New York session. I haven't had like a proper trade in 3 days. Trust me, I'm having like withdrawals now. And you know the worst part is if I wait like 4 days, 5 days, and I finally take a trade and I lose. Yo, I'm gonna be gnawed. Then I'm gonna be gnawed. Waiting and waiting and waiting, and then you still lose. Click buy or sell and blind your eyes.
Oh yeah, Bobby, I actually saw your message there. Could you share my screen keys?
Of the state of the nation.
Yeah, it's the Sana thing.
Yeah, isn't that the thing the EFF got kicked out of? They banned from.
I'm not sure. But Bobby, what you said there actually very interesting, because on the 1st of Feb we had price break below this demand zone, which caused price to move to the upside. So that break indicated that, okay, so if this is now a lower low, we should form a lower high. Now the fact that we had this supply zone basically over here and price tapped into it and rejected, flip to the 15. So now obviously I have to refine that zone. So notice that Asian highs is untested. So I think we might see something like this happen. Pin above and then drop basically. Because in the end also, I always look at the rand like we're a very valuable country in the sense of our minerals. And the moment our government can actually step up and, have our interest in mind, I believe the rand will actually make a comeback. I always think
comeback compared to what?
In the sense of like gain strength against the dollar. I always look at, for instance, back in the day when I started trading, when that was 2017, I will never forget it. I made my first withdrawal, beginner's luck, and the dollar was still 12 rand back then. So my thing is, if we were at 12 rand back then, it's a low that must be tested again. And it just goes back also to that thing I say, like, death to the dollar. I want the dollar to die.
Bro, you know that's the thing though, hey. Dollar will never really tank.
We never know. Anything is possible.
The dollar will tank on like a chart. But the other pairs statistically tank at the same time. So the dollar's actually never truly losing value.
Okay, let's put this into perspective. Say for instance,
So for example,
rand-
the dollar took how many shots last year? How many? It was going downhill.
Okay, but
I don't think the dollar ever even dropped under what, 18, 19.
okay, but say for instance now our country actually starts being managed properly.
Which will
And-
never happen.
Okay, but say it does. Okay, let's say it does. Then the potential is there. I mean, we paid R1 for $2 back in the day in the 1980s, 1990s.
Yeah, but that was a whole different country then, bro.
That's what I'm saying. Like, you know, we just need new leadership, and anything is possible.
Yeah.
I want to start my own party. Would you guys vote for me?
No.
Why not? Don't you guys want a dictator for president?
Bro, when my president is literally going to be telling me there's a Shaka Zulu under my bed, you must watch out for the market makers and these entities. It's the entities that hit you and shock your house. And
Yo, I would.
No.
I would control a nation like that. Give everyone grant, and you know, communism. No, I'm joking, guys. I'm not a communist. But if I was president, I'd be a dictator. A Xi Jinping.
Aish. I think markets will be shit till next week. Yeah. Ooh, gold dropping. Guys, my only problem is gold looks like it's gonna break there, but is dollar going up?
That's actually a cool
Why
name.
can anything just go to plan?
Oh, Trader Tom is back.
Hey, bro, I don't have time for clowns like that.
Vince, don't you wanna use your range there on Train is your friend?
Hey, little.
That looks like characteristics of a Trader Tom.
And he's been clapped out the park. Ice too.
These guys are so dumb, man.
Give me something to trade.
Cheers, brother. We're starting with prayer tomorrow.
With prayer.
Yeah.
Why are we doing that?
The one guy said we prayed that one morning and we won all our trades that day. So I'm
Is that what we're going to now?
I'm reintroducing our Father, Lord.
We can do that.
So it's starting tomorrow. If it works tomorrow morning session, which I think it will, it'll implement it in the afternoon session as well.
Cheers.
Chris, I got you.
Watch him make a new account and come back with his clown shit, yeah.
I'd say maybe like 14 more minutes.
See, guys, now for example, if I was gonna sell that now, like, that's what I said, yay, we break the low, and DXY was dumping, and I'm like, I can't take that, and their gold went right back up. So from my side, I'm done, guys. I'm done, because the markets are ish. These things are, you know, this is that thing where you just go back and forth with that Uno reverse card, and they just clapping each other, yeah. Wait, what did Slushy say?
Whoa, Vince, like, yo, I think your hand is heavy,
Oh,
bro.
hold on. I can see I can look at it.
Oh, I see why. Okay, understandable, Vince. Understandable. Slushy. Please, you know, even though we get frustrated, there's not cool people that, you know.
I just joked, sorry, 10 seconds. Nah, it's all good, bro. Yeah, no, it's chilled. I was just like, I just know Slashy's he's always here with us. That's why I was like, yeah, no, that's why I was just like, yo, what did Slashy do?
Nah, nobody's Slashy.
Even the OG
One
getting
day-
clapped.
One day, bro, we will bump into a trader, Tom, and he won't be able to escape then. And there's another threat. It's a warning. The difference between a threat and a warning.
Yeah, again, I mean, follow up. Everyone was here. Our boy Jaden never rocked up on stream yesterday, even though we gave him the addy as he asked for. I
There's
told
nothing in the markets, bro. Leave it. There's nothing in the markets.
Yeah, I'm done, bro. I'm just waiting for Jevo. Yeah, he's like, nope, he's got something.
Actually,
Gee.
let's see.
What are you looking at?
So what happened is, I thought I was reversing, right? I'm looking at this over here. And I'm like, okay, if it retraces comfortably, I'm gonna go long.
Yeah.
Then it did this, but there's still an opportunity. We'll see.
Yeah, only thing is DXY is also doing fuck all, so there's nothing there
But
to do.
remember what I told you I'm gonna go for? 30 days, 30 trades.
Yeah, no, I'm with you, brother. I'm
Yeah.
with you.
Wish me luck. Jeff,
Good luck.
take care.
Check you off. Be safe.
I'm gonna repeat that for luck on stream.
All right, Jeff, are we gonna call it, brother?
Let's give it maybe 5 more minutes. Let's just
Okay.
see if we get tapped in.
What are you looking at? Are you close to a?
EU, yeah, we're like 3 pips away.
I'm gonna put it on your screen.
All
And the
good.
guys can watch because I mean there's nothing happening on my screen. Slashy, I understand broski, but I also don't want to be fooling around, my broski. Yeah. Nah, Slashy, I understand, bro. That's why the days, for example, I think we also do snap a bit every now and again, and that is because it's like there's the days we try our best to always just knock these bloody clowns and ignore them. But there is the days where, for example, like we are just irritated. We haven't been able to take a trade, and now someone wants to go make a comment. And it's like, bro, we're already irritated. Like, we want to trade, for example. So, trust me, we also just get irritated. But you start taking away from the guys that are here to learn and part of the family, and take away from the vibe and everything. And I think that was just the end of the day. The conclusion was, for myself personally, where I was like, I'm going to stop trying my best to react to these guys, is just because there's already so many of you that come here with the love and energy that you do. You don't deserve to be in the middle of some other cuck. I wanted to lose it yesterday, then I realized I'm employed as a wrench. That's why it's very simple nowadays. We will give you the addy, and if you have a problem, you're more than happy to come rock up here.
Yo, guys, don't you think the other day a guy comes in here, ne? And he's like, how can you be part of the team? So obviously, like, okay, so how do you want to be part of the team? So now he mentions a certificate, and Kaiten's like, okay, funding, you know. And this guy tells me, yeah, he trades so good on a demo. Jason Noah wants to come to Pretoria, and I'm like, whoa. Don't say you're making massive profits on a demo, because anyone can do that. Then this man comes to my screen, and it's like, he's so forceful. He comes to my screen, and he's like, I can tell you now, bro, this is gonna go down. Funny enough, I zoomed in, and I'm on the 3-minute chart, so like there's small consolidation, so the market looks like it's ranging. But just before that, EU shot up, and he's like, I know this market, it's been bearish, and I'm just like, that's when I was like, bro. And then this guy, like, yo, I don't know, some people must be careful when you just rock up to the office like that.
You know, hey, I think that would be such a bad one tomorrow if someone decides to rock up. Because you literally got me, you got Chris, and you got Edgar in the house.
Yo.
Yeah, that's just like, you literally just chose the wrong day, bro. But Edgar, do you even have like at all like a bad bone in your body, bro?
Yeah, Edgar doesn't seem like he would get mad at anyone.
Yeah. Like, I mean, I haven't known Edgar for that long, but Edgar is like literally the most chilled guy. Like, I know people always say like I'm a gentle giant nowadays, but Edgar is the literal definition of a gentle giant.
Nah, definitely.
I'm sure, obviously, I mean, if you like threaten the man, he's gonna stand his ground.
But there's never been a moment where it's like, we saw him in a bad mood, and he looked like he wanted to yeah.
Like even when he tells a story like of something, he's always happy. And I'm like, bro.
Okay, I think yeah, we can call it.
All right.
So
Chad.
the cutoff for this trade will be 6 o'clock, guys. If we're not tapped in by 6, same rules yesterday for gold. Let's hope that we get tapped in and we don't miss it. Gold ran all the way to TP. So yeah, let's just hope we get tapped in on this one. So pray for Jeff.
All right, there you guys go. So just taking note of that. I got a really long fuse, but once it's spent, it's spent. Okay, I check, brother. I can see that. I can see that happening. He only gives good vibes, to be honest. Now he really does. Maybe we'll even throw, depending on what time Edgar's here tomorrow, maybe we'll even throw him on. I don't know if we don't have the other camera, but then we'll throw him on with a mic. He can come sit here on the little third mic. But we'll see, guys. Then I think we're going to call it as my side. Yeah, DXY dumping, but again, gold still in its little range here of the support and Asia. So nothing I'd honestly take here. Just one of those days, guys. So unfortunately, I think next week we'll start getting definitely some more trades. I think it has a sleeper personality. The more you run, the more you got to find out. Yeah. Peace and love, Chad. The show goes on. You know what, guys? We haven't done it in a while. I think we actually will play that song. Let me just go over and find it so long. But yeah, just before we get into that, guys, again, just a massive shout out to all of you guys. Truly love the vibe, energy you guys all bring. Really appreciate the support every single day. Even on these more slow days, you guys still rock up as well. So big shout outs to you guys. But Jeff, any closing remarks?
From my side, guys, it's almost 6. Don't force anything. The market will always be here tomorrow. Don't do anything today. You'll regret tomorrow. My mentor always said, a lot of people sacrifice tomorrow's success for today's temporary pleasures.
Oh, there we go. Couldn't have said it better. So, yeah, have a good one, guys. It is Friday tomorrow, baby. So, let's finish strong on the week. But, yeah, make sure to see us tomorrow in the opening bell, myself and Chris, and then the New York session, obviously with myself and Jev. And then we'll just see what happens, take the markets from there. And, guys, keep in mind the road to 6K. Can't believe we are saying that, but it is absolutely insane. So other than that, guys, we will be seeing you tomorrow. Be safe, stay safe, trade safe, and we'll see you guys same place, same time as always. Looking forward to it. So this one for the OGs, the guys that know the theme song of a New York session. Nothing but the best. Cheers, fam. Peace and love, baby.
All night till the morning, we dream so long. Anybody ever when they would see the sun up? Just remember when it comes up. Goes on, alright, already the show goes on all night till the morning, we dream so long. Anybody ever wonder when they would see the sun up? Just remember when it comes up. Show goes on. Have you ever had the feeling that you was being had? Don't that shit that make you mad? They treat you like a slave, put chains all on your soul and put whips up on your back. They be lying through they teeth, hope you slip up off your path. I don't switch up, I just laugh, put my kicks up on they desk, unaffected by they threats, then get busy on they ass. See, that's how that Chateau made me, that's how my daddy raised me. That glittering may not be gold, don't let nobody play me. If you are my homeboy, you'll never have to pay me. Go on and put your hands up, when times is hard you stand up. LUP the man, cause a brand that the fans trust. So even if they ban us, they'll never slow my plans up. Already the show goes on all night till the morning, we dream so long. Anybody ever wonder when they would see the sun up? Just remember when you come up. Show goes on alright, already the show goes on all night till the morning, we dream so long. Anybody ever wonder when they would see the sun up? Just remember when you come up. Show goes on. One in the air, air for the people ain't here. 2 in the air for the father that's there. 3 in the air for the kids in the ghetto. 4 for the kids that don't wanna be there. None for the niggas trying to hold him back. 5 in the air for the teacher not scared to tell those kids that's living in the ghetto that the niggas holding back, that the world is theirs. Yeah, yeah, the world is yours. I was once that little boy, terrified of the world. Now I'm on a world tour. I will give up everything, even start a world war for these ghetto girls and boys I'm rapping around the world for. Africa to New York, Haiti then I detour, Oakland out to Oakland, Gaza Strip to Detroit. Say hip hop only destroy. Tell them look at me, boy. I hope your son don't have a gun and never be a D-boy. Already the show goes on all night till the morning. We dream so long. Anybody ever wonder when they would see the sun? Just remember when you come up. The show goes on all right. Already the show goes on all night till the morning. We dream so long. Anybody ever wonder when they would see the sun? Just remember when you come up. So no matter what you've been through, no matter what you into, no matter what you see, when you look outside your window, brown grass or green grass, picket fence or barbed wire, never ever put them down. You just lift your arms higher, raise them till your arms tired. Let them know you there, that you struggling, surviving, that you gon' persevere. Yeah, ain't nobody leaving, nobody going home. Even if they turn the lights out, the show is going on.